Alright, so to prepare the jalapeno whoppers, the first thing we do is we split the jalapeno popper a long ways, and we take the seeds out to keep the heat down. Then we pack it with pepper jack cheese. And the next step is we put 2 pieces of pepperoni on each pepper. And keep in mind that short, fat jalapeno peppers work better than the long peppers. And then we take 2 patties of sausage, flatten them out, and try to wrap the entire pepper. And do the same thing for the second one. And then the next step, we wrap the entire pepper and sausage in 1 piece of bacon. And then that's the last step. We do put some rub on it before you put them on the grill. And then we're going to put them on the grill for about 1.5 hours at about 300 until the bacon is done, and we'll take a look then. Now we will wait for about 1.5 hours and check them and see how it looks, and near the end we'll put a little barbecue sauce on them. Whoppers have been on for about 1 hour and 10 or 15 minutes now. We're going to apply a little barbecue sauce, just brush it on lightly. Just a little bit on each pepper. And we'll leave this on for about another 15 minutes just to let the sauce set and thicken up, and then they'll be ready to go. Alright, so they've been on about 1.5 hours now. The barbecue sauce is set. We're going to take them up and see what we got. This is a small batch. It was a pound of bacon, pound of sausage. You can make them bigger, you can make them thicker, but remember the most important thing, you want a short round pepper and you want thin cut bacon. Thick cut bacon does not work very well. So we'll take these up and we're going to slice one now and see what they look like on the inside. And that would be the finished product.